It's a game 2.
Sorry.
It's a Booty Boys versus
You'll be in good hands one day. Cool water. You go Cologne. Yes, sir.
Bigger than Kerr.
Don't worry about it.
It's everybody have vibe to get it the first 6.
Everybody have a chance.
I want to get this thing in history now. You want to be the first to give or the first to get.
Two you got. What you got? 3.
No 5 for it. Tough.
Faster. Okay, that more. That me play for.
But you win now.
The one me have. That me play for.
You gonna win, you know.
You're too powerful around here. I'll set you up.
Powerful. You win.
You're too powerful around here, bro. I got a cramp.
Fast. Yeah, now you lose, man. You got fucking Treyas, man. Treyas, your heart, man. I got this. You got the double deuce? You take double deuce, you win. Yeah, I know you have to say.
2 times deuce, you have to do it.
Yeah, deuce him twice, man.
Let's go,
Put it in
2?
your hard end. Yeah, deuce him twice, man. Deuce him twice, man. Give him a second time to think about it.
Yeah, that's okay.
I know you have Treyas already, because I see you read.
Yeah.
But you reading like you have double 6, that's why I leave it. Man. Kill that shit, man.
Pass on.
Yeah.
You did pass it. There's still a chance.
Sorry. You gotta get in lucky a bit. Next time, find a class. Find something in life, man. You ain't tell you that. Find it. You ain't got nothing for me. You ain't got nothing for me at all. You ain't got shit for me. Staples has something for me. They got markers. You alright? I can't play, man. Play something else. Play something else that you got. Say something else. Play something else. That's what I'm doing. Play something else, man. Play something else, man. Play something else. I'm gonna hurt you around there, you know? Yo, hurt you. No shit. No, I'm nothing for me. I'm nothing. I'm nothing for me.
Yeah.
He's watching me. What are you gonna do? That's what I want to know.
Five four can't beat me.
He has 5-4.
5-4 can't beat me.
He don't want to give me back 5-4.
5-4 can't beat me.
Okay, alright then. Double deuce, double 6.
They win. 5. They win. Because 5-4 can't beat me. I'm not going to go 5.
Why score now, Tony?
I'm not going to go 5-4. 3.
Boy, you have to say, God love a cheerful giver.
Video.
Yeah, boy. See them, man.
Okay. 5-4 can't beat the part. I'm not care. 5-4 can never beat me.
Nah, he got 5-4. Yeah. You already know he got 5-4. I know he had it already.
I
He can't do nothing with that. It's tough. He didn't want to use it.
Not gonna beat me, bro.
Double deuce can't beat me either. So that's dead. That was already dead. He sent it back because he had to send it back. He didn't have to, but he did. A hero. Italian bread too. Sometimes, yeah. Take it. Not joke domino, comedian dominoes. Come. I want you to play quickly. I want you to read. You read, you right.
Come on, Theo. Where are you not there? Come on, Theo. Yeah, take your thing.
You did it to me, man. Thank you. Can do without you.
Leave the value. They come back.
Leave the value.
Come on.
What you got?
4.
Maja.
3.
I just played one and I had 4.
3. much Bulla?
3. Which great.
2.
Bulla comedian, you know what?
Yeah.
Let me put on, man. Put on 5-3, man.
I squared out,
5-3,
Tony.
man.
Four.
4.
Bro.
Let's play final. That not play final, brother.
What blank you have? Deuce?
Deuce blank. I'm 4
Why
blank.
you didn't do blank?
Eh?
Why you didn't do some music play?
Because he might come with all of the arms, just fix them. That's why I said, me read for the 5 now. Me read 5 blank, you know. Oh, I'm not going to know that.
You know what I mean?
Me read for the 5,
Yeah.
at the end of the day, you know the 5 them did
You
it.
read on the 5 and
Yeah, exactly.
Bulla, me go
So,
see.
you just 5 straight to your hand.
Me go see if
5 straight to your
me go see if Booty Boy then can drop a 6.
I know you have 5
I have it.
Put the 5 straight on him, man. Don't give him play.
I have it.
My pose, I know. You have to pass him.
Sharp, man, me go see. Andrew, me see if Booty Boy then can drop a 6 in
I know
less
my time
than
pose.
less than 10 minutes. Less.
Just pass him.
Don't worry about the corner, man. Everything is alright. You're right, though. You're right.
Oh, Booty first.
You're alright.
Oh, yeah.
You're alright, man.
Booty first focus, you know. Wait there first. Wait, Antonio last one. So there's baby. Booty baby.
Yeah, man, they have a show a picture for them with that.
Booty baby.
The one that can't play.
Can't play. The one that can't play.
No, what? Focus.
The one that can't play.
Blanks. Out.
You got come down, man.
How much you have? 3.
Play twice, you ask me questions. Relax. I'm not stressed out at all. I'm waiting for you.
How much you have?
The man said what you have.
I just played one.
No, the man said what you have.
I just had 3 and I
It's a
played one.
tournament I'm playing.
It's not tournament, this is the garage.
Thank
You
you,
play,
bro.
yeah. It's not a tournament.
3. How much you have, Papa?
What you got now?
2, Papa.
No.
Oh, man, I'm calling you, man. See what's going on around here. You know what's going on?
Alright. How much you got? How much
So
you
now
have?
these watching you, man.
1? Hold on. You have 1. Come with this, we can't. This for yourself.
Booty boys. What score, Tony?
5.
5.
You're on 5 years away.
Mike. Wagwan.
Yeah.
Yeah, smoke the mic.
You know how to
Mike, you know good talk that
Yeah,
mic.
man.
Yo,
Hold on.
Yeah, boy.
Starboy.
Find the S-back.
The juice bar there.
I went to black and
Smell
I'm not
it
gonna.
stink.
2 blank S.
It have one in bun.
That's first.
Yes,
Mike.
Smell it.
That's good talk there.
Well, it's not ripe yet. Till I say it's not ripe when it's ripe on the one. I don't care to move on.
Yeah, no island.
Stick to, you know. And put them nice about ingredients still, you know. You want the sunlight too, you know. But it's not if you pass it, it does smell. It does stink. It does smell. Man,
Alright.
it smell, man.
So if
It's
this
a good weed tree, that, you know.
game 5, very crucial game, Andrew, because this is going to make or break who drop
Think probably to break.
the first 6.
Slide down, slide.
Pass.
Relax, man.
No, when you're ready for calling people for
Relax,
play.
man. No, let me read. I don't rush nobody when they make a mistake.
You?
Yeah, I don't rush no one. I absolutely don't rush people. I promise you. I don't rush nobody.
Y'all gonna know people.
Much up.
Cards now. 1. And you?
2.
Bulla, the chalk, ready for Mark?
Mark what?
Yeah, well, I can do the break it.
Spectator start, you know. Spectator start.
Set them out on there, watch the game. Look up in them. Because don't ask me what me you're not playing. You two out now. Sit down and keep quiet. You well want it to have, eh? You well want it to have.
How much up?
No, I'm for play, you know. Play for win, you know.
Let me know.
Booty first and booty baby.
Yeah, play.
You pass?
You're a player.
Oh. You take a picture for about it.
What's wrong with y'all, man?
You take a picture
How
for
to play?
Yeah, what you say?
You take a picture for about it.
Wait, move that.
Take a picture for
What's wrong with these babies over here, man? I think people. Yo, what's wrong with these little babies about 5'11" and them bouncing around here, man? I told you, I will put you in a. I'm gonna put you in a bassinet, alright? A bassinet. I'm gonna.
One,
2 1.
no way.
We can't